Hey everyone, we got this cool grill that folds up. You see all the pieces on the table. It folds up into this little bag, so it's very convenient to carry in the RV. It doesn't take up much space at all. It's not heavy. Or if you're backpacking or bicycle tripping or whatever, motorcycle tripping, you can use this tiny grill. So let's see how it works. The first thing I'm going to do is assemble it on this heat mat, which allows you to set it on a picnic table and not worrying about damaging it. It has two side pieces here, and these just slide into place. All right, next is this. And if you hear a cannon in the background, it's okay because we're on West Point Military Academy, and it sounds like they're doing some training. So once you have the frame assembled, you just have this little grate that you can set in there that the coals or wood goes on. Okay, so to use this, you can use wood or charcoal, and in the directions for this large grill, they have two sizes, a large and a small, I believe. And the large one, it says 20 to 25 pieces of charcoal. But we're using bigger briquettes here, so we're going to use a little bit less than that. Okay, so tonight, using it, we're going to use this grilling type of attachment, but it also has these little slats in here for kebabs. And the first time we used it, we made kebabs with it. The second time, it has a pan like this, but it's there's no holes in it. It's just flat. And we did stir fry veggie. And tonight, we're going to do burgers using this.